Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Roblox on your computer. First, you'll need to download the free Roblox player application directly from the official Roblox website. Once downloaded, you can either create a brand new, free account or simply log in if you already have one. It's also a good idea to quickly check that your computer meets the minimum system requirements to ensure a smooth and enjoyable gaming experience, typically requiring at least 4 GB of RAM and a decent internet connection. After successfully downloading the Roblox player, proceed with the installation process, which usually takes just a few moments. Once installed, head over to the Roblox website and explore the incredibly vast library of user-created games. With millions of experiences available, you're sure to find something you love. Simply click on any game that catches your eye to see its details, then hit the prominent play button to instantly launch yourself into the adventure. Navigating Roblox games is quite intuitive. You'll typically use the W, A, S, D keys on your keyboard for movement, while your mouse controls the camera view, allowing you to look around freely. To interact with objects or characters within the game, a simple left click of your mouse usually does the trick. Don't forget to personalize your in-game appearance. The Avatar Shop offers thousands of unique outfits and accessories to make your character truly stand out. Playing Roblox is a fantastic experience, but remember to prioritize safety. Make sure to utilize the robust parental controls and privacy settings available to tailor your experience. If you ever encounter any inappropriate content or behavior, please report it immediately to Roblox moderators. They are there to help. Finally, engage positively with the global community of over 200 million monthly active players, fostering a fun and respectful environment for everyone.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.